Welcome to my channel and congratulations from switching to macOS. In today's video I'm going to be giving tips for new macOS users, or for anyone watching this video. Still watch this video till the end, it's very helpful. And yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy this video. Moving on to my next point for new macOS users is that the new MacBooks don't actually have a lot of USB ports. Like, I'm sure if you've already seen a MacBook before, or you're about to purchase a MacBook, you see that it only has 2 ports or 3 ports, which are the USB-C ports. If you're a new macOS user, don't be worried, you just need an extension. It's going to be linked in the description. As you can see, this is an image of an extension. It's basically changes the USB-C to a USB, or it changes from a USB-C to a HDMI. Any port you're looking for, like any extension port you're looking for, there's an extension port for it. You can buy it in any electronic store that sells computers, or you check the link in the description. That's the best one. And you can actually also buy one made and created by Apple, but I think the one created by Apple is expensive, so that's my own preference. But you can buy any one you want, because yeah, new macOS user, and congratulations for also buying macOS. Boom. And now moving on to the next point, which is that if you're a new macOS user, I advise you to get this thing. It's called, if you're a new macOS user, I advise you to get Apple Plus. Apple Plus is like a extra lifesaver for your MacBook. So if anything happens to your MacBook, you just need to send it back to Apple and they'll fix it for free. Or if they can't fix it, they'll send you a new laptop. So make sure you buy Apple Care or Apple Plus. I'm not sure, I believe it's Apple Care or Apple Plus, but this is very essential. It covers your laptop for over 3 years, and it's also add more like it's be more expensive, but it actually protects your laptop. And you don't, because if you don't get Apple Care, it's more expensive to repair your laptop than if you get Apple Care. Then they'll fix your laptop for free. It's for new macOS users. The next point for anybody that switched from Windows to macOS is that if you actually want to delete something, like delete a folder or delete like a program or anything, like there's no delete key on the macOS. You actually have to press command. So you look at your keyboard, you click on command and you click on the backspace button to clear text out. If you're like writing an email, the backspace button to clear text out. So like to delete anything like a folder, you just click command and the backspace. A lot of people do not actually know about this, so yeah, like, subscribe, comment. And the third point is, if you actually want to screenshot or print screen, Windows users, that is called print screen. You press FN and the print screen, but for Mac OS it's actually called screenshot. And instead of pressing 2 buttons as you used to do in Windows, you actually have to press 3 buttons, and the 3 buttons you have to press is shift, command, and number 3. So once you press those 3 buttons, like you don't press it at the same time, you start by pressing shift, then command, then 3, then the Mac OS would take a screenshot of the whole screen. And these are the points. Now I'm going to move on to the next important point, which is, now moving on to the final point, which is that if you're buying the new Mac OS, I advise you to buy the smallest size. Like, it's 128 gigabytes of storage. I advise you to get that because it's actually good. And you can buy an extension, you can buy a hard drive or an SSD drive. This is an example of a hard drive. You can buy a 500 gigabyte one, and you can be keeping all your things there. For example, now on my laptop right now, the only thing I actually have on my laptop is the editing software. Every other thing I have here in the external hard drive. I advise you to get external hard drive or flash drive, 500 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, to really help your storage, because the Mac storage is not, it's not big enough for a lot of the MacBook storage is not big enough for day-to-day life. The MacBook storage is not big enough. That's all I'm trying to say. So yeah, these are the top things for new macOS users. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned for more, and of course watch my other videos. I'll see you in my next video. And also, if you want to see my unboxing videos, will be linked at the top, at the bottom of the new MacBook. Stay tuned, enjoy the video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.